In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts on Microsoft Teams. If you're someone who uses Teams regularly, you'll find that keyboard shortcuts can make navigation quicker and more efficient, enhancing your productivity. So let's delve into this process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. If you're already familiar with the layout, you should feel right at home. At the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a Sign In button. Go ahead and click it. This will lead you to the Sign In page where you need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Make sure you have these handy to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the familiar Teams interface. It's here that most of our actions will take place, so take a moment to get comfortable with your surroundings if you need to. Now, locate the three dots at the top right corner of the interface. This is essentially your gateway to a more customized experience in Teams. Click on these to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. What we're interested in today is the keyboard shortcuts option, so select that when you see it. Upon clicking keyboard shortcuts, you'll be directed to a new window or panel, depending on your interface, which lists all available keyboard shortcuts you can use within Microsoft Teams. This is an incredibly useful tool as it not only boosts your efficiency but also allows you to manage your activities without lifting your fingers from the keyboard. Take some time to explore these shortcuts as they cover a wide range of functions, from navigating through chat threads to starting a new call. It might be beneficial to note a few that you frequently use. Perhaps consider writing them down or printing this list out for easy reference until they become second nature. Remember, the aim here is to make your Teams experience as seamless as possible, and familiarizing yourself with these shortcuts is a fantastic step toward that goal. By utilizing these shortcuts, you'll find yourself moving through Microsoft Teams with ease, leaving more time for focusing on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to optimize your digital workspaces. Happy shortcutting!